To obtain a cash advance from a Mercury credit card, start by calling the Mercury support team at 866-866-1585. When you speak with a customer service representative, request a cash advance PIN. Next, locate an ATM and insert your Mercury credit card, entering the unique PIN you were provided. Select the cash advance option and specify the amount you need. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to retrieve your cash from the ATM. It's essential to be aware of the associated fees and interest charges that come with cash advances from a Mercury credit card, including a one-time ATM transaction fee in the absence of a grace period, meaning the APR is applied from the day you receive the cash advance. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily get a cash advance from your Mercury credit card.